Okay, so basically what we can do, like we can take this print and let's say we want to echo this. Echo test. This is actually, you cannot display data like this. This is a vulnerability. And why this is a vulnerability, I will show you. Let's say you can type in hello world and it will show you hello world. It should show you hello world. Or you have to, for example, we have we have a name test. So we need the key so we can show our value, just like I've explained in the array video. It works the exact same, so we have to specify test. So this is a bit confusing, so I'm gonna rename this to hello. So in the form, I have to delete something. So in the form, we have the name test, and it has a value. So this is the key, and this is the value. But since the value is empty, we don't have a value yet. We have to rename this to hello because we are saving the super global variable inside of hello. And then we want this key. So basically, we call this value through this key. And if we type in here now, hello world, it will, or by world. Let's remove this hello world because it's we have hello world twice now. And hello world, it should display test. And it's not displaying it, of course, because we use the get. We have to change to post. So now it will display hello world, but this in itself is a vulnerability. The reason we had to use post here is because we entered the data here and we can see the method is post. That's why we had to change this to post. We could have also just used a request because that accepts both post and get, and that would also work. If we press hello world here, it's just that would also work on hello world. But this in itself is a vulnerability because it does not filter our data. So if we, for example, you can insert a in HTML. For example, we use the -p tag for paragraph to insert a paragraph. The dash script is a HTML tag to insert JavaScript code. One of the JavaScript code used for pen testing is alert, and I will show you what alert does. If we press enter here, it will show you an alert box because it will display. It will add the script tag to your HTML and run JavaScript code. So that is not secure. What you want to do, I think you want to use, if you want to filter out, for example, you want to use HTML entities. This is a function which automatically filters out the greater than, less than. So you cannot insert HTML code inside your web page because when you display something on the screen, the browser will render it. So you're not displaying the letters, the browser will first render it. And if you have the less than, greater than, and that, it will be rendered as HTML code. So this is basically it's called cross-site scripting, but it's a vulnerability. But if you use the HTML entities function, so if we put this inside HTML entities, let's say so this is a function that will automatically filter our input. So if we refresh this page, you will see it's now displayed as script, and it does not run as a JavaScript code. It gets displayed instead. So we did not receive an alert this time. But I'm not gonna explain for this series. I'm not gonna explain cross-site scripting vulnerability. I'm gonna show you how to do a file upload, how file upload attack works, and I'm gonna do a demonstration on how to hack it.